Hi, in this video, I am showing how you can make website question answering system. In the previous video, we already done that, but what is the different about that video and this video is we are using API, so any front end developers can communicate with our application. For the API purpose, we are using FastAPI. In here, you can see this is our code and this is our utils function. This is our main.py. This is our main code. Here you can see that we are importing FastAPI and base model file from Pydantic and create DB and find user from utils. This is our custom utils function. And we are initializing the FastAPI as app, and we are creating a dictionary here, and this is our function. When you use the project is actually helping for blog sites and many pages with many content. If a user come to a page and he want to know any answer related to that page, then he can start question answering with our bot. He can click the start chat and ask questions related to current page that he is viewing. When he click the start chat, then this function will be called. In here you can see we are passing the website link and web page id. This is a unique id, and this website link is the link of the current page that he is viewing, and we are taking that data as the input, and we are assigning that website link into the website link and web page id into the web page id. Then we are creating a vector store instance based on the website link. Here you can see the create db. The prerequisite for watching this video is you want to watch the previous video that I uploaded last day, because in that video I am covering all the concept about the question answering system. In here we are creating the db. First of all, we are loading the data. In the load that for loading the data, we are using web-based loader. This is a API from the LangChain document loader, and we are passing that our website link. We are creating a loader instance. Then we are loading the data into the data variable. Now in the data variable, we get the all content in that web page. After loading, we are splitting the whole data into small chunks. We are using recursive character splitter, and our chunk size is 1000 and chunk overlap is 20. If you want to know detail about this, you can check my previous video. I will put the link of that video in my description box. And the next line, we are using that splitter instance and splitting the document into docs. And after that, we are using OpenAI embeddings. And next we are storing in a vector store. We are using Facebook vector store, and we are retaining the db. That the create db actually working. When we come to here, you can see after that we are storing that vector database in a dictionary with key as the web page id and value as our database instance, and we are returning the message vector store assigned to web page. And after the user clicks the start chat, then he will ask questions. So when he started ask questions, we are inputting question and web page id, then we are retrieving the website vector store instance from the dictionary into the db variable. After that, we are checking if db is none, then we are returning the error message, and if db is not done, we are finding the answer. We are calling this a function find answer, and we are passing the question and the db. In the find answer, we are using this prompt template. We are saying this is a website content, use the following piece of context, and this is our prompt. Then we are using retrieval qa chain for question answering, and we are passing the llm. We already initialized the llm here, chat openai, and the db as retriever, and chain type prompt qa chain prompt, and we are returning the result. This is all about the find answer function. That's all about the code, and we can run this. We are running in the 8000 port. We are opening this. Copy, sorry. And we are taking the Swagger UI. Yeah, you can see here our two endpoints: process data and answer questions. Yeah, process data and answer question. In the process data, we are taking two variables, that is a website link and web page id. You can see here, we can try it out. First of all, we can give the website link. And giving first website link as the Chandrayaan, and the web page id as 1, and when I click execute, you can see here vector store assigned to web page. Now this function is worked. That means the process data is worked, and the db is created and stored in a dictionary. The db instance is stored in a dictionary. We are doing the question answering, and we click the try it out, and we are questioning what is Chandrayaan. What is Chandrayaan? And we are passing web page id as 1, and we are execute this. Here you can see Chandrayaan 3 is a lunar mission by India that is successfully landed on lunar south pole. Yeah, you can see the answer. But if we ask the answer that is not related to that concept, suppose when I'm asking what is NLP, yeah, you can see here I don't know, thanks for asking. That's our prompt. This will include in every answer because I given that in here. You can see in the prompt, always say thanks for asking at the end of the answer. That's why that is showing. Now I am going to add another web page. So I am replacing this. I am using gigs for gigs blog on NLP, and copying this link, paste it here, and I'm giving web page id as 2, then I'm clicking the execute. Vectors assigned to web page. The process data is finished. I am asking the questions. What is NLP? The web page ID is 2. Now executing. Yeah, you can see NLP stands for natural language processing, like that. And in here, when I am asking what is Chandrayaan, this will didn't give us answer because the one is related to page ID 1. So you can see here, I don't know, thanks for asking, like that. And I'm asking what is text and speech processing. So the web page ID 2, because web page ID 2 include NLP details. This will give us answer. The text and speech processing refers to the use of natural language processing technique used to analyze and understand text and speech. Yeah, this is very awesome because we are getting a good accurate answer. With the web page ID 1, I ask question related to NLP, then it will didn't answer. What is language interaction or text classification? Take this. What is text classification? This will didn't give an answer. I don't know. Thank you for asking. And that is very awesome. So we are getting a accurate result. We can play with any questions and with number of pages. It's about this project, and I will give you the link of my project repo in the description. In the project repo readme.md, I described everything you want to know about this project and how you can use and what is the problem we are solving and how you can clone this repo and install in your own local system. Then the stacks user, and then you can also contribute to this project. I and the contribution details in the contributing.md file. You can read that. Yeah, you can read here if you're interested to contribute. Then the future plans, an API reference. Yeah, that's all about the video. Thank you for watching.